Nothing says fall like cooler weather, shorter days, and fall chrysanthemums, or we call them mums. We've got all sorts of colors here, right? I'm standing here with Anna Ribick, and we are in Lacombe, Louisiana, at a local nursery, and they are just well known for their mum production. And as I understand it, Anna, all of these mums will be gone by next week.
Yes, so by next week, this is All Saints Day. It's coming up, it's November 1st, and everyone out from Lacombe, it's a big time-honored tradition here. They come and get their mums from Bannings, and we grow 3,200 pots.
Wow.
And they bring them to the graves of their loved ones, of their deceased ones, and they put them to honor their deceased ones on the graves. We also sell candles as part of the All Saints Day tradition, and they buy those as well and bring them out to the graves to honor their loved ones.
That's awesome.
Yes.
So when selecting mums, we want to be sure, I know you've got to resist the urge. Unless you're holding some kind of gathering and you need some instant color, you actually want to steer clear from these fully blooming mums. They're great for instant color. If you want to go for an extended bloom time, you want to choose some that haven't fully opened yet, like these here. You can deadhead these back by pinching off the blooms. Now be careful when you're watering mums, especially in containers, not to water them overhead. It can cause some rotting issues. So let's water at the base of the plant. Now there's lots of colors, purples, yellows, oranges, whites. Just a wonderful selection for fall decorating and for your landscapes. For Get It Growing, this is Anna Ribick, and I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.